name is over there, who's recording, is if I don't make it, he is going to shoot the cans with his BB gun. And it's a Deagle 44 BB gun pistol, and yeah, CSO tubes, basically that. Yeah, so let's go. And which I missed, so as you will, wait, before Nick shoots this, I'm just going to go grab the camera and get some nice action footage over here as he shoots the cans. So here we go. He got one. He got the other. 2 shots, people. 3 shots. Good job, Nick. What's up? Make sure to comment, like, subscribe.